Hi everyone! We are here in the lighthouse in Cleveland Point. Punta namin yung lighthouse. Picture kami dun. Ayan na. Huh? Nice, 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 nice. You can sit also there, my love. What kind of tree is that? Tree. Ayan na siya. Napaka-relax dito siya. Ganito yung outfit today. Kasi malamig. Ayan ang lighthouse. Hi. It's okay.